Every second counts and margins are razor thin, and technology in mining has become the game changer. Mining companies are saving millions, sometimes billions, by turning to breakthrough software and cutting edge equipment. Here are the top 5 tools reshaping the future of mining. Number 5. Digital Mine Planning Suites. Software like Deswik and Hexagon Mine Plan helps engineers design more efficient pit layouts, reducing waste rock and maximizing ore recovery. Some operations report cost reductions of up to 15% per ton. Number 4. Predictive Maintenance Systems. Equipment failure can cost thousands per hour. Systems such as Caterpillar's MineStar Health use AI to predict breakdowns before they happen, slashing downtime and saving millions in repairs. Number 3. Autonomous haulage trucks. Komatsu and Caterpillar's driverless fleets can work around the clock, improve safety, and cut operating costs by up to 20%, according to company data. Number 2. Real-time fleet management. Dispatch optimization tools, like Modular Mining's Dispatch, track every haul truck in real time. This can boost productivity by over 10%, translating to higher throughput without adding more machines. Number 1. Drone surveying and mapping. Drones from firms like DJI and Trimble capture high-resolution 3D models of pits and stockpiles in minutes instead of days. That faster data leads to faster decisions and faster profits. In an industry facing volatile markets and rising costs, these tools are more than just innovations. They're survival strategies. For Skilling's Mining Review, I'm Author Tungsten.